Do the brake lights on your Honda not shut off? I've got an easy fix for you. The owner of this car was complaining with a dead battery. Later they discovered that the brake lights were staying on all night, not shutting off. No matter what they tried, they could not get them to shut off. The fix is actually pretty easy. Let me show you what I did. Now this particular car is a Honda Accord from the mid-90s. I actually discovered that this is a common problem with Hondas. Even my 2012 has this design, but as you can see, this part right up here, that is your brake light switch. And there's a hole that it's going into. And so when you press the brakes, that's usually supposed to release it, and this compresses it. But there's a little plastic button that goes in that hole that's missing. I don't know who the engineer was behind this design, but I think he needs a little slapping around. So I went on to Amazon and I was able to buy this 2-pack, and that has this little white button, just snaps right in there. I'll put a link in the description below to this particular pack, but there's a lot of varieties out there. I bought Dorman because it's a well-trusted brand. All right, I was able to install it. I ended up using the black rubber button rather than the white one. The white one was hard plastic and this rubber slipped in. If you put just a little bit of spit on that button before you try to press it in, it goes in super easy. But as you can see, the brake control switch, the brake light switch, is being actuated now. As you can see, the brake light is now off. Thanks for watching You Can Fix Anything. Have a great day.